Hi everyone, and welcome back to UND. My name is Fred Remer and I oversee UND Weather Update, the weather show that we produce here every day during the semester at UND. Things have changed since you've last been back to UND, and of course with the pandemic that's going on right now, we want to make sure that everybody is safe, and we need to take precautions to make sure everyone is safe. The first precaution, of course, is the mask. Whenever you can't maintain a 6-foot distance from other people, you should be wearing a mask. And really, you should be wearing a mask all the time, just to be safe. Also, make sure that you wash your hands frequently. And then also when we come into the studio or work on the barren weather system, we need to take extra precautions, and we're going to go through those precautions right now. Every time you work on the barren, before you work, you want to make sure that the keyboards are sanitized and any surfaces that you touch or other people have touched have been sanitized. There will be wipes next to the barren keyboard on the desk that you can use to wipe down the keyboard and also wipe down the desk. After you come into the studio and the production control room, you need to put on gloves. And the reason for that is because the switcher has preset conditions that we don't want to mess up with wipes or spray, and also it's a very delicate instrument. So before you start using the switcher and also the audio board, you need to put on gloves, and that would only be the persons that are working on the audio board or on the switcher. Anytime you come into the production control room or the studio and you don't have gloves on, of course, you need to wipe down whatever you touch. There will be wipes in the studio and also in the production room. In the studio, when you turn on monitors or zoom and focus on the camera, whatever piece of equipment you touch, before you touch it, you need to wipe it down to make sure it's sterilized. And then after you use it, you need to wipe it down again to make sure that it is clean for use for the next person. Another thing is that we won't be using these remote mics anymore. It's hard to sanitize these in between uses, and many people will be using them. So instead, we have a shotgun mic that's attached to the camera. So when you use the camera and the mic to get the best audio, make sure that the camera is as close to the stage as possible to pick up your voice.
When you take off your gloves, there's a procedure for that too. What you need to do is pull off one glove with the glove hand, put the glove in the glove, ball it up, and then pull off your other glove so that the glove is inside and you have a hand that has not been disturbed.
I hope you have a great semester. Anytime you're in the studio or in the barren, make sure that you social distance or physically distance. And also, if you can't, remember to wear a mask.